Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a short little family mail. So if you are interested in seeing what I got and who it is from, stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm opening family mail, and this comes from Liz. I will have her channel in the description below. Now I knew she was sending me something, but I didn't know anything else besides the one thing. She sent me this little cute little, this is the outside of it, which I thought was like super cute. And inside there is this really cute doggy card. Look how cute is that? And inside it just says, hey Jess, I hope this little package puts a smile on your face. Thanks for being such a good friend. Lots of love, Liz. And she has these cute little like doggy stickers inside. And it says Bubby and Bubby's boyfriend. How cute. These cute little butterfly stickers. Like, how cute is that? That is like so super sweet. Okay, now inside the package there was, I got this yesterday, so I already used these things last night because I was super curious. The 24 karat gold, well, 24K under eye pads. But I use these, and like, they made like my under eyes like super soft. I don't know about like for wrinkles, but made my under eyes like super soft. Like, I really like these. Might see about getting more of those, but I really like those. The other thing was this Shea Butter Pucker Up lip mask, which I thought was like pretty good. Like, it made my lips like super soft. Like, it was really nice. I liked it. But I'm not too big into lip masks, but I don't know. I might just have to start getting into them. And the last, no, sorry. She also sent me this. How sweet is that? I was saying how much I loved this from the BoxyCharm, like how much I loved it and how good it's been working for me and how it's been making my pores like really small, and that I just really like this. And she sent me hers. Like, how sweet is that? Thank you so much, Liz. I really do appreciate that. Now, the last thing in there was the super cute fuzzy pen. Look at that. Is this thing not like adorable? And like, I do a lot of writing, so I send a lot of cards and things like that, so this is really gonna come in handy. And it's super cute. Like, I think it's so awesome. Like, thank you so much, Liz. I like so appreciate it. I love getting family mail, 100%, especially from like my good friends. Like, it's a lot of fun. But that's all I have for today. And like I said, please go check out her channel. She's super sweet. If you don't know her, you should definitely get to know her. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for today. So thanks again, Liz. If you are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you can be notified of any future videos that I post. And I will see you guys next time.